everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mastodon application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your App Store to begin. Once you open up your App Store, tap on the search box at the top and type in Mastodon into the search box. Perform your search, and once you see this application that says Mastodon for iPhone and iPad, tap on the Get button to begin the downloading process. Mastodon is a free and open source software which is used for running self-hosted social networking services. It has micro-blogging features similar to Twitter service. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Mastodon application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.